Good morning, students. Today, students, we are going to do question number 4 of exercise 3.3. But before starting question number 4, we will do one example related to that one question. We will firstly understand divisibility by 11. See, firstly, whosoever not understood, if the question is 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, let's take this one example. Clear? Now on the number, students, I write odd, even, odd, even. It means that in odd group, you will add odd numbers. In even, you add even number. And in difference, you find the difference or odd and even. So firstly, odd numbers are 5 and 4. Add them. Clear? Answer come what? 9. Now add even number 4 plus 5. Answer come 9. Now these two number you have to minus. 9 minus 9. What answer comes? 0. It means that 0 is divisible by 11. The number 0 and the number which come in table of 11, all that numbers are divisible. So like this manner you have to check. And at the end you write yes, this number is divisible. Clear? Now on the behalf of this rule, we will do question number 4. Question number 4, some parts I do, E and F part you have to do by yourself. Clear? Now see the A part. I already explained you how to do. Make a table. In one side you write numbers, sum of digits at odd places, sum of digit at even places, then difference. Then odd places number are 5 and this one 4. 5 plus 4 answer come 9. Then this 4 plus with this 5 answer come again 9. 9 minus 9 what come? 0. So 0 is divisible by 11. So it means yes, 5 4 4 5 is divisible by 11. This thing you write. Now see B part. In B part I will add 4, 8 and 1, means number which come on odd places, that one number we add. Answer come 13. Now even place number are 2 and 0. Add them. Answer come 2. 13 minus 2, 11 come. 11 come in table of 11. So you write yes, this number is divisible by 11. Clear? Similarly we do C and D part. E and F part, student, you do, it's very easy. Numbers are less. So now in odd places add 5, 9, 3 and 7. Answer come 24. Clear? Now we add 6, 8 and 1. Answer come 15. 24 minus 15 is 9. 9 does not come in table of 11. So you write no. 7, 1, 3, 8, 9, 6, 5 is not divisible by 11. Clear? Now D part. In this also we add odd places first. 8, 3, 6, 0. And whatever number left, that will be of even number. Plus them. 17 minus 17 answer comes 0. So you write yes, 70169308 is divisible by 11. E and F part. This is the F part, students. You have to do E and F part both by yourself. Clear? In the table only. Now we are going to start exercise 3.4. Question number 1 is find the common factor of this one numbers. Firstly, students, I will do C and D part. A and B part you have to do by yourself. It's very easy. You have done in previous classes also. C part question is 35 and 50. Understood? Now, firstly I write factors of 35, means 35 comes in which table? Clear? We write 1, 35s are 35. Then 2 table 35 come? No. 3 table? No. 4? No. 5? 7s are. Clear? So these are the factors of 35. Now you write factors of 50. 50 come in table of 1. 1 50s are 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. Now we have to find out common factors. Common factor means which are common in both the table. So if you check it out, 1 is common, 5 is common, that's it. So common factor are 1 and 5. Like this manner you do. Clear? Now we do D part. D part is 56 and 120. Firstly we write factors of 56. 56 come in one table and 56. Clear? Now 2 table 56 come at the 28. Clear? 1 second. 1, 2, 56 we write here and 28. Now 3 table 56 come? No. 4 table 56 come? Yes, it comes in 4 table. 4, 14s are 56. 5 table 56 come? No. 6 table? No. 7 table? Yes. 7, 8s are. So these are the factors of 56. Clear? Now students we write of 120 factors. 120 come in one table, 2 table. We write along with that 120s are, 2 60s are, 3 40s are, 4 30s are, 5. Now 56 factor are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. Now 120 table you have to see. In 120 table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60 and 120. These are the numbers which are the factors of 120. Clear? Now students we will write down its common factor. Common factors are 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4, 8, 8. So these are common factors. So you write common factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Clear? Now student we do question 2. Question 2 is find the common factor. Here also you have to write common factor, but in this part there are 3 numbers given. Clear? 4, 8, 12. So 4 come in 1, 2, 4. 8 comes in 1 table 8 come, 2 table 8 come, 4 table 8 come and 8. 12 come in 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 6 table and 12 table. Clear? Now we write down common factors. Common factors. Check it out the common factor. 1 is present in all 3 numbers. 2 is also present. See. Now 4 also. Here also, here also and here also. So common factors are 1 to 4. Clear? Now we do B part. B part is 5, 15, 25. Clear? So we write factors of 5. It's very easy, 1 and 5 because 1 5s are 5. 15. 15 come in 1 table. Add 15s are. 2 table 15 come? No. 3 table 15 come? Yes, 5s are. Now 25. 25 comes in 1 table, 5 table and 25. So these are the factors. Now we find out the common factors. For common factor we see all the 3 numbers. Answer is 1. Then 5 is present. Here also, here also, here also. Clear? Like this manner we do B part. Now student, we do question number 3. Question number 3 is find 3 common multiples. आपने 3 common multiples find out करने हैं. So firstly we do A part. Multiples mean you have to write down the table first. 6, 12, 18, 24, 32. When you get 3 common multiple, then you have to stop. 6, 12, 18, 24, 32, 36, 42, 48, 56, 48, 54 and 60. Now we write 8 factors. 8, 16, 24, 32, then 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and 80. Now we find a common multiples. For common multiples, see which number is present in all their number. 24, then present 48, then present 72 also. Here also 72, here also 72. So answer is 24, 48 and 72. Clear? Now we will do B part. 12 and 18. Clear? We write firstly 12 factors. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. Clear? Now we write 18 factors. When we get 18, 3 factor we will stop. 18, 36, 18, 3s are 54, 18 4s are 72, 18 5s are 90, 18 6s are 108. Now we are getting 3 factors, so we will stop this table. The numbers which we are getting: 36, 72, 108. Clear? So common multiples are 36, 72 and 108. Clear? Like this manner we will find out the multiples. In multiple, students, we write down the table, and in factors we will see in which table that number comes. Clear? After that we find out the common multiples and factor. Which number is present in all the 3 numbers, we write it as multiples, common multiples and common factors. Clear? So I hope you understand, and you will complete question number 4 of exercise 3.3 by your own. Clear? So thank you and have a nice day.